Welcome back, guys. Before we proceed, I need to show you something because you'd come across prompts in various videos. So what you can do, you can actually snip out those prompts. You don't need to start typing the prompts one by one. So let me just show you how you can go about snipping it out. So if you're using a laptop, which is recommended, is recommended for you to use a laptop. But it's okay if you're not using a laptop as well. Just follow the processes. So I'm going to come to use that process. So I'm going to open one of the videos, what it will look like to you. I'm going to have it opened here. So I have this, and let me see this. So I'm going to start something like this, right? And you see the prompt. There's a prompt this way. All you have to do is to pause, and when you pause, all you have to do is to use your snipping tool. If you don't know where your snipping tool is, just search and look for snipping tool. Yes, something like this. That's if you're on your PC. So you use your snipping tool to snip out what you're seeing on the screen, which is the prompt. So you're going to snip out the prompt however you want to. You're going to snip out that prompt, and this is me snipping out a prompt. So having to snip out this prompt, to extract it, all you have to do is to go to your ChatGPT, which is very important. You come to your ChatGPT, then you upload that particular screenshot, whether you're on your phone or your PC. Is still the same method. Is either you use a screenshot on your phone, that's the screenshot function on your phone, or you use the snipping tool on your PC. So here it's the image that I snipped out. All I have to do is to say extract this text for me, extract this text for me. So we're going to extract that. It's as easy as that. You get those extracted, so you don't need to type for prompt. That's why I created these cards at the beginning of the video, so you could have your prompts extracted. So this is it right here, and the extract is right here. It's as easy as that. You don't need to stress. So it's as easy as that. And I hope you get to enjoy this lesson as we proceed. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.